True to Aberlink's heritage for innovation, the Extol is the world's first CMM to utilize a delta mechanism. Designed for robustness and reliability, the Extol CMM will run around the clock, making it ideal whether it's positioned next to a machine tool, in a manufacturing cell, or used in a dedicated inspection area. Temperature sensors monitoring both the machine and ambient temperature ensure that the Extol is capable of operating in uncontrolled environments and reports measurements compensated back to 20 degrees. With a larger measuring volume and smaller overall footprint than its predecessor, the Extreme, the Extol can be positioned exactly where the measurement is needed. The automatic tool offset correction available with the Aberlink 3D software complements the attributes of the Extol perfectly, allowing utilization as part of a fully automated production process in the midst of a manufacturing environment. The ergonomics of the Extol have also been a significant design factor. It is not only quick and easy to perform one-off inspections, but also has ample access for either batch inspection or to facilitate automatic loading. The Extol is supplied with Aberlink 3D, the industry-standard, easy-to-use measurement software now in use by over 10,000 users worldwide. Aberlink's tool compensation software allows the control of machine tools. By selecting machined features, the software will rapidly work out which tools and which offsets are controlled and automatically calculate the required changes. Robust, accurate, and reliable, the Extol CMM is the perfect solution to automatically verify part quality for critical components. Extol, the next generation of shop floor hardened non-Cartesian CMM.